As we know, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. In this lecture, we will discuss the three main types of blockchain: public, private, and consortium. The first type of blockchain is public blockchain. Public blockchain is a decentralized network that is open to anyone. Anyone can participate in the network and validate transactions, and the ledger is publicly accessible. One of the most well-known examples of a public blockchain is Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is open to anyone, and anyone can participate in the network by running a full node and validating transactions. Public blockchains are also known as permissionless blockchains. The second type of blockchain is private blockchain. Private blockchain is a centralized network that is controlled by a single entity or a group of entities. Only authorized participants are allowed to participate in the network, and the ledger is not publicly accessible. Private blockchains are often used by organizations to create a secure and transparent way to record transactions without the need for a central authority. Private blockchains are also known as permissioned blockchains. In the future, we will see private blockchains such as Hyperledger Fabric operate within a cross-chain environment. The third type of blockchain is consortium blockchain. Consortium blockchain is a network that is controlled by a group of entities rather than a single entity. A consortium blockchain is a hybrid between a public and private blockchain, where a group of organizations come together to form a network and validate transactions. Only authorized participants are allowed to participate in the network, but the ledger is not under the control of a single entity. Consortium blockchains are often used in industries where multiple organizations need to share data and transact with each other, such as finance and supply chain management. One of the key differences between these types of blockchain is the level of decentralization and control. Public blockchains are fully decentralized and open to anyone. Private blockchains are centralized and controlled by a single entity, and consortium blockchains are in between, controlled by a group of entities. Public blockchains are fully transparent and accessible to anyone. Private blockchains are not transparent and accessible only to authorized participants, and consortium blockchains are partially transparent, accessible only to authorized participants within the consortium. The choice of which type of blockchain to use depends on the specific use case and the level of decentralization, security, and transparency required. Public blockchains are suitable for applications where a high level of decentralization and transparency is required, such as digital currencies. Private blockchains are suitable for applications where a high level of security and control is required, such as supply chain management. Consortium blockchains are suitable for applications where multiple organizations need to share data and transact with each other, such as finance and supply chain management. In conclusion, there are three main types of blockchain: public, private, and consortium. Each type has its own set of characteristics and is suitable for different use cases. Understanding the differences between these types of blockchain is important for understanding the capabilities and limitations of blockchain technology and how it can be applied in various industries. That concludes our lecture on the types of blockchain.